Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here. The morning after I canned my mixed greens with smoked turkey wings, I want to bring to your attention, if you remember, there were some stains on top of the lids because I poured the vinegar that I used in the canning process to keep the jars from getting cloudy and old looking. Instead of me putting it all the way down in the canner in the water like I normally do, I poured it across the top, and so it got like a little black stain on all of the lids. So I just want you to know that that's not a big thing, and let me share with you how I took care of it. That the acid, can you see the label there? Yes. The acid from the vinegar that was on top of the lids that made it have that black acid stain, it just came right off with Dawn dish soap and water. Okay? So don't worry about it if you ever see something like that, don't freak out. The vinegar inside of the water in the canner and not pour it directly on top of the lids. I don't reuse the lids, so I just date right there in those lines that ball gives us on the lid. So I'll just put a 121. I don't have to put what it is because I know that is greens. Okay, so you will have some siphoning. Don't worry about it. You'll see some liquid missing in the top. Don't worry about it. I have greens that are still canned from last year, and they're still delicious. Okay, so I just want to bring that to your attention. Don't worry about it if you see some acid stains, if you did a mistake like I did and didn't get that vinegar all the way down in the water as opposed to it being on the tops. It'll come right off, okay? All right. Thanks for watching. I hope I gave you a tip you can use. Bye now.